want to have a quick look at perspective warp. This is a tool which lets you artificially change the angle of, well, the perspective view of a building. It's found up in Edit, Perspective Warp. Step 1 of 2, click and drag to define planes, stack two or more planes together to define corners. So I'm going to left click on this corner and drag out this box till I'm touching the other corner. Then I'm just going to grab this handle, drag it up to the top corner as closely as I can, drag this handle down to place corner number 4, just tweaking them so they look right. Then I'm going to click on this other corner and drag over another box, and I'm going to drag this corner up till it touches the top one. Can you see it lights up kind of bolder blue when it's ready to snap, and that just connects on, and then we can just drag this down, just following the kind of the vanishing points down here, so I've got them about straight. There we go. So I've matched that up with the vanishing points would be over here somewhere and over here. Now once I'm happy with it, I can click the warp tool, which changes the mode. Now this allows me to drag these points over. I'll try and do like a bold demonstration, which kind of shows up some of the weaknesses of the tool. It doesn't do a perfect job. You can see it's ripping the sky asunder. I suppose we could just replace the sky afterwards. Now this one's slightly crooked, that one's not too bad. There are some extra tools up here. This one automatically straightens near vertical lines, so it'll just snap them to looking right. And once you're happy with it, you can click done. You see it's got some distortion in there, but I think it's probably better for a subtle use of. So let's do undo, Control Z. That's what it was like. Edit, redo. Quite clever. Must have some use, right? Thank you for watching.